Let's connect an H2 series scale from Pro Tournament Scales to our WebPro Tournament Manager software. First, make sure you have a USB radio hub for your scale available, along with its USB adapter cable. You can get both of these from Pro Tournament Scales directly. Before connecting anything, make sure you've downloaded and installed the drivers for your radio hub. You can find them on the Pro Tournament Scales website. Now plug in the radio hub to a free USB port on your computer and make sure the other end of the cable is firmly plugged into the hub. With the hub ready, go ahead and connect your power cable. Finally, attach your physical scale as well and then power on the device. On your computer, make sure you've downloaded and installed our Scale Web Communicator application. If you haven't, you can download it from your tournament's event log page when choosing the Scale Connector option. Open the application now and set your scale type and send weigh data options. When you've done that, choose your device from the list and press connect. Once connected, you're ready to begin weigh-in. As soon as you have a weight locked on the scale, it will automatically send that weight to your computer. The Web Communicator application should receive it, display what it received, and will automatically relay that to your event log. Optionally, you can have the tournament software auto-add the catch if you've already selected which angler the catch is intended for.